Hi, and welcome to today's episode of Coffee with CREN. I'm Lauren, and today we're going to be going over the search bar in Paragon Connect. Now, I know we've been over this before, but they have updated it a little. So now when you search for an address, let's just go with 123, it's going to show any listings with that 123 in the anywhere in the listing, honestly. It does now pick up descriptions as well. And then as you scroll down, it'll show any listings that may be outside of the MLS powered by Google. And then any contacts. These contacts may contain that number within their contact ID. And it'll show any users you're associated with as well as offices. Another cool thing is you can search by description words. So, say we're looking for a riverfront location, you'll see that it's bringing up anything with river, anything with the word front in it, and it will also bring it to the descriptions as well. So, for example, you'll see like this one's a riverfront location. It's seeing that front right here, and I bet you somewhere in the description it has the word river in it as well. Now, when you click on all, you'll see there's going to be a lot of listings within those keyword descriptions. However, I just thought that was a cool feature that I wanted to share with you guys. Go check it out for yourself and have a good rest of your week. Thank you. Have a good week.